Hey gorgeous babes, in today's video you're going to need an eyebrow pencil, concealer, and if you're looking for a cheap concealer, get this concealer called Pro Conceal. You're also going to need eyebrow gel, a small fluffy brush, beauty blender. I'll explain later in the video why you might need that. And lastly, what I forgot to show you is a flat brush. You'll see later on in the video. Before even applying anything, I'm taking a brow gel and brushing my brows so they can stay in place while I'm working on my brows. If you don't have brow gel, this might sound crazy, but use a little bit of edge control that's not greasy. So first thing I'm going to do is outline my brows. On my right side, I usually start in the front part of my brow and work my way back. Some people create different shapes for their brows, but I just stick to my normal shape and just make it look more fuller looking. Make sure you're using an eyebrow pencil that matches your actual eyebrow color, and the color I'm using here is dark brown. After I outline the top of my brow, I go in and start creating light strokes to fill in my brow. Take a spoolie and lightly brush the brows to see if you need to fill them in more. Are they too dark? Brush them to make sure every hair is in the place you would like it. Now on my left side, I just start filling it in first because this brow is not the same shape as my other brow, so the steps is a little different. I still outline them just like I did my other brow. In the front of the brow, create a upward motion to create fake like hairs, then brush it to blend in. Now on to the next step. You want to either take a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than you, or take a concealer that matches your skin. I'm using one that matches my skin because I'm not putting on a full face of makeup today, so I want it to look natural today. Get your flat brush and outline your brow the same way you outlined it in the beginning. Take your time, go slow. I work my way from the front to the back. You can put as much concealer as you want depending on the look you're going for. Doing the same thing to the top. If you have to go over it a few times with the concealer, then do that. Now take a small fluffy brush and blend the concealer out like if you was trying to blend eyeshadow. Blend them to your liking, and some people like me like to blend mine seamlessly. Right here I'm just doing a swipe back and forth motion. And once you blend it, if you need to go back in and fix anything, then do so. And lastly, I'm taking a small beauty blender and blending out the rest of the concealer so it could all come together. And just like that, we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more.